Are you a creator, influencer, or a freelancer earning through Instagram, YouTube, Upwork, or brand collaborations? If yes, taxes, invoices, and compliance can get confusing. That's why FN Advisory brings you the Tax and Compliance Kit for the creators, your one-stop solution for GST, ITR, invoicing, and tax saving guidance. Instead of buying services separately, get everything in one kit and save both time and cost. The Creator Tax Kit is designed for India's digital entrepreneurs, YouTubers, Instagram influencers, freelancers, and creators. It helps you handle GST registration, return filing, ITR, invoicing, and deductions, all managed by our team of expert series. What's included in the kit? This kit includes number 1 GST registration, start invoicing brands and platforms legally with your GST. We help you with online filing on the GST portal, address verification and ARN tracking, officers follow-up if needed, delivery of GST and login credentials. Get registered pan-India and start billing professionally. Number 2. GST returns. Stay 100% GST compliant with accurate filing every month or quarter. Our team handles GSTR1, GSTR3 e-filing for up to 12 months. Input tax credit advice, monthly reconciliations of sales and expenses, timely reminder and summary reports, no missed deadlines, no penalties. Number 3. ITR filing for creators. Your income deserves a proper compliant tax filing, not guesswork. We manage ITR 3 or ITR 4 based on your income source from 26 AS and AIS reconciliations. Disclosure of foreign or brand income if applicable. Filing with digital signature and CEA review. We make sure your return reflects your true earnings and eligible deductions. Invoicing format or rounding. Send professional invoices that look as good as your content. You will receive GST compliant invoice templates, editable PDF and Excel format, payment field for UPI, PayPal and bank transfer, option to add your logo, digital signature and custom terms, perfect for creators, billing multiple brands or agencies. Tax deduction advisory. Saves tax the smart way. Our experts guide you on deductions for gadgets, camera, phone and laptop. Rent, internet, ad, spend claims, subscription platform fees, and depreciation treatment. Section 37 Based Tax, saving for creators and freelancers. We help you reduce taxes legally and efficiently. Why choose the kit? Creators and freelancers often miss out on the key tax benefits or face penalties due to lack of clarity. The Creator Tax Kit brings every compliance services together: GST, ITR, invoicing, and tax planning, all in one place, handled by experts who understand the profession. Why choose FN Advisory? With FN Advisory, you get experienced CAs and digital businesses, transparent and hassle-free processes, timely reminders and productive support, practical tax guidance designed for creators and freelancers. This kit is ideal for Instagram influencers and YouTubers, freelancers on Upwork, Fiverr or similar platforms, bloggers and digital marketers, anyone earning online who wants complete tax and compliance support. Be a tax smart creator with Tax and Compliance Kit. From FN Advisory, let us handle your registrations, returns, and filings while focus on creating content and growing your brand. Call us at 91939230 or visit our website www.fnadvisory.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more creator-friendly tax and business insights.